In this video, we'll walk you through how to add a voiceover to a video in Canva. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Start by opening up Canva and loading the video project you'd like to add the voiceover to or create a new one. You can do this by just selecting the video option. We're going to use this template video that they provided. The easiest way to record your voiceover is to shrink the Canva window slightly to open the voice recording app. If you're using a Windows computer, you can use the built-in sound recorder or download something like Audacity. Mac and other devices will also have similar tools. Once your recorder is open, select your microphone down in the bottom left corner and ensure that the input device is correct. From here, just hit the record button to begin recording your file. It might pop up with something that says, let sound recorder access your microphone, select yes. From here, it'll record whatever audio you would like, and when you're done, just stop the recording. You can now hit the three dots in the right-hand corner to show it in its folder, which should be titled something like sound recordings. From here, go back onto Canva and just drag this in, and it'll automatically start uploading it. You can go to the upload section and scroll down until you find it. It'll most likely be in audio. You can go to the upload sections and navigate over to audio to find it and just drag it in. From here, you can cut it up as well as click on the corners to drag to make it a little bit shorter or a little bit longer depending on how long your video on Canva is. And that's it. Your voiceover is now added to your Canva video. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments and remember to leave a like and subscribe if you're brand new.